What's up, guys? We'll do a quick update on what I've got going on with my computer build. And pretty simple and straightforward. Let's get started. All right, first up, we got the fans here. Now, these are the Thermaltake Ring Plus. I quite like these fans. I think the newer ones are the Ring Plus Trios, and they have more lights in the center. But in order to get that light, the blades are white and kind of opaque. I don't really like that look. So, and they cost more and all that. So anyway, these are the Ring Plus. I actually got to get something going on with something different with here so I can get this fan in here all correctly. Right now I have it on the thermal light mode. So as the CPU gets hot and everything kicks up, these fans will actually turn colors, and my pump will ramp up and everything like this. Now this is a 480 millimeter radiator by OC Cool. I thought it was Alpha Cool, but it says, I guess, OC Cool. I like it quite a bit. But let me show you some of the different things this fan can do. Now, you can do a lot of custom stuff. Now I'm using the Thermaltake RGB Plus app here. So here's just some of the preset stuff. We got Shooting Star, Black Hole, Aurora, Twinkle, Raindrop, Heartbeat, Stack, that's pretty neat actually. Scan, Swirl, it says player. I don't know really exactly what that means. Clock, flow, RGB spectrum. You can see it cycles through the colors. Radar, blink, pulse, wave. Anyway, you can get the point. Gaming, party mode, and then back to 10. All right. Now let's see if we can get in closer. All right. So this Waterblock here, this is also a Thermaltake product. I actually looked at a lot of different options, and I knew I did want something that lit up, but ultimately I think Thermaltake has a newer one, but this one was a lot cheaper, but I think it was still like $80. The newer one, I believe, was like, it was considerably more. I can't remember. But anyway, this is your Thermaltake Pacific W4 Waterblock. Then move it on to here. You can see my RGB fittings. Got them here. This is also by Thermaltake. So it has these LEDs in here, and it essentially just shoots light out through here. So if you look at my tubing bends, they're all pretty bad. I was kind of in a rush. I needed to get my computer built, and I had a project to work on. So they didn't come out all that great, but you know, it didn't leak, so that was a good part. But actually the most complicated bend actually looks pretty good. But what I realized, to come out and turn and go downward, it messes it all up. So same thing here and here. So I'm thinking about coming out straight, bringing an elbow, and then put the RGB fitting here, and then it would shine. It would illuminate this run better. Maybe do that here, maybe here too. So we'll have to see. So now let's take a look at the reservoir. And we've got a, man, I forget the name. It's made by XSPC. And it is rocking a D5 pump down here. Very quiet. I mean, I've got this camera right up here and you basically can't hear anything. And the temp, it's actually a little bit hotter to be doing nothing, but it's 36. Usually in the 20s or something, but anyway, there's that Z390 Oris Master motherboard back in there. Yeah, I'm rocking the Trident RGB by G-Skill. You already know, link is in the description to Amazon. And again, a video I did a long time ago, got the RGB power supply, zero speed fan. As you can see, it doesn't spin unless it needs to, and it almost never needs to. Same thing on these fans. So for some reason this is spinning, which usually doesn't do that. And I think because I got this 3D Mark open, it's not running a benchmark, but it is open. But anyway, this is the update, guys. Obviously I got the little plexiglass that goes on the front, but I think I want to upgrade to the whatever glass that upgrade where it actually covers the sides and everything. This is a Core P5 case. And there it is. I want to do something with the cable management in and out of the case. Like this is just, it's not good. And all these RGB fittings creates a lot of extra runs of wire that you got to deal with. But overall, I mean, really, you really don't see that many wires all over the place because the case does have all these pass-throughs. So the wires really don't stand out all that bad. But I do want to get some better ones with the cones and, you know, keep them really nice.